and we are in front of an interesting Froster V541HB from the Froster series, and we will be checking. The actual price is just 54,099, and actually these are the specs. Getting inside, we are seeing the standard actual sitting area with the two burner stove from Dometic, and we have Dometic two-sided fridge. And entering this Froster, kind of looking at the same design, the three cabinets down there, one kitchen cabinet, and then going to back we have this smaller sized bed with four big cabinets from this side, so you can really store a lot. Then a smaller washroom with the drop down sink and the Thetford cassette toilet with some smaller cupboards where you can store something in it. Then this is the standard Fiat Ducato chassis, and there is no pop-up roof. We have a two burner stove from this side, and exiting the camper van we are going back and actually check the bed size. So 1162 from this side and 1299 from that side, and then a smaller size for this camper van. Let's check the actual garage. 0.6, and from the longest part 1 meter. Well, this is a standard basic camper van sleeping two people. It will be pretty good, and actual looks it's okay.